Your iPod and your phone makes pictures.
Mm-hmm.
Your iPod makes pictures.
Mm-hmm.
Your phone makes pictures.
Mm-hmm.
So this makes pictures and this makes pictures.
Mm-hmm. Pictures and videos.
Does this make videos?
Mm-hmm.
This makes videos.
Mm-hmm.
All phones make videos.
Mm-hmm.
You know why you got two?
Why I have two? Because I call people on this and I listen to music on this.
Oh, that's why you have two.
Mm-hmm.
Can I listen to music?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then after, I want this little light of mine.
What song?
Maybe the songs that you like.